Yellowstone National Park, a place of unparalleled natural beauty, where the wonders of the earth are on full display. A land of geysers, hot springs, and breathtaking beauty. Here, the Earth's geothermal forces create a landscape that is both serene and dynamic, a testament to the planet's ever-changing nature. But beneath this picturesque landscape lies a sleeping giant, the Yellowstone supervolcano. This hidden behemoth is not just any volcano, it is one of the largest and most powerful on the planet. This is not your typical volcano with a cone-shaped mountain. Instead, it's a massive caldera, a sunken area formed from past eruptions spanning miles across. The caldera itself is a vast, sprawling depression, a reminder of the cataclysmic events that have shaped this region. Yellowstone is what scientists call a supervolcano because of its potential for incredibly powerful eruptions. These eruptions are so massive that they can alter the global climate and have far-reaching impacts on life across the planet. These eruptions dwarf anything humans have ever witnessed. The sheer scale of a supervolcano eruption is almost beyond comprehension, with the power to release thousands of cubic kilometers of ash and lava. They are a stark reminder of the immense forces that shape our planet. The energy released during such an event is a testament to the dynamic and often unpredictable nature of the Earth. Understanding Yellowstone is about more than just one volcano. It's about grasping the power of nature itself. The forces at work here are a microcosm of the processes that have shaped our world over millions of years. The ground beneath Yellowstone is a hotbed of geothermal activity. This geothermal energy is a result of the heat from the Earth's mantle, which rises up through the crust and fuels the park's many geothermal features. This heat fuels the park's famous geysers and hot springs, creating a spectacle that draws visitors from around the world. The sight of a geyser erupting or a hot spring bubbling is a reminder of the powerful forces at work beneath our feet. But this beauty also serves as a constant reminder of the immense power that lies just beneath the surface. The geothermal features of Yellowstone are not just beautiful, they are a window into the inner workings of our planet. The question on everyone's mind, will this sleeping giant awaken again? And if so, when? Scientists are constantly monitoring the area for signs of activity, but predicting when the next eruption will occur is a complex and uncertain task. The potential for a future eruption is a reminder of the ever-present power of nature and the need for ongoing research and preparedness. To understand Yellowstone, we need to delve beneath the surface into the Earth's fiery heart. This journey takes us deep below the park's picturesque landscapes, where a hidden world of intense geological activity lies. Here, the Earth's crust is not just a static shell, but a dynamic, ever-changing environment. Deep below the park lies a massive reservoir of molten rock, known as a magma chamber. This chamber is a vast pool of magma, a mixture of molten and semi-molten rock suspended beneath the Earth's crust. It's a place of immense heat and pressure, where temperatures can reach up to 1,600 degrees Fahrenheit. This chamber is the source of Yellowstone's heat and its potential for volcanic eruptions. When the pressure within the chamber builds up, it can lead to explosive volcanic activity, sending ash and lava high into the sky. These eruptions have shaped the landscape of Yellowstone over millions of years, creating the park's unique geological features. This magma is constantly moving, generating earthquakes and pushing hot fluids upwards. The movement of magma causes the ground to shake, resulting in frequent, though often minor, earthquakes. These seismic activities are a clear indication of the restless nature of the magma chamber beneath Yellowstone. This movement is what fuels the park's geysers and hot springs. As the magma heats the water underground, it creates steam and pressure, which eventually finds its way to the surface. This process results in the spectacular eruptions of geysers like Old Faithful and the bubbling of hot springs scattered throughout the park. It's a dynamic system constantly changing, a reminder that Yellowstone is very much an active geological wonder. The landscape we see today is the result of millions of years of volcanic activity, and it continues to evolve. The park's geothermal features are a testament to the ongoing processes beneath the surface. The Yellowstone volcano is fueled by a hotspot, a plume of abnormally hot rock rising from deep within the Earth's mantle. This hotspot is a stationary source of heat, while the North American tectonic plate moves over it. The interaction between the hotspot and the moving plate creates a series of volcanic features that mark the path of the hotspot. This hotspot has been active for millions of years, leaving a trail of volcanic activity across the North American continent. As the tectonic plate moves, the hotspot remains in place, creating a chain of volcanic features that stretches from the Pacific Northwest to Yellowstone. This trail is a geological record of the hotspot's influence over time. It's like a giant blowtorch moving slowly beneath the surface, leaving its fiery mark on the landscape. The intense heat from the hotspot melts the rock above it, creating magma that rises to the surface. This process has created some of the most dramatic and recognizable features in Yellowstone, including its calderas and volcanic plateaus. Understanding the dynamics of this hotspot, the magma chamber and the Earth's crust, is crucial for scientists studying Yellowstone. By analyzing the movement of magma, the frequency of earthquakes, and the behavior of geothermal features, scientists can gain insights into the inner workings of the park's volcanic system. By monitoring these factors, they can better assess the volcano's current state and potential for future eruptions. This ongoing research is vital for predicting volcanic activity and ensuring the safety of the millions of visitors who come to Yellowstone each year. The park's volcanic heartbeat is a reminder of the powerful forces at work beneath our feet, shaping the world we live in. Yellowstone's history is marked by periods of relative quiet, punctuated by catastrophic eruptions. These eruptions have not only shaped the park itself, but have also had far-reaching impacts on the surrounding regions and even the global climate. These eruptions, while rare, have been some of the most powerful volcanic events in Earth's history. The sheer force and magnitude of these eruptions are almost beyond comprehension, with the ability to alter landscapes and ecosystems in an instant. They have reshaped the landscape, leaving behind massive craters and vast deposits of volcanic ash. These deposits can be found hundreds of miles away from the eruption site, a testament to the power of these explosive events. The last super eruption at Yellowstone occurred approximately 640,000 years ago. This event was so massive that it left a caldera, a large volcanic crater, that spans over 30 miles in diameter. This eruption spewed out over 240 cubic miles of volcanic material, blanketing much of North America in ash. The ash cloud from this eruption would have darkened the skies and affected the climate for years, leading to a volcanic winter. To put that into perspective, that's enough ash to bury the entire state of Texas 5 feet deep. Imagine the disruption to life and the environment such an event would cause today. Before that, there were 2 other major eruptions, each leaving its mark on the geological record and the environment. One occurred 2.1 million years ago, creating what is known as the Huckleberry Ridge Tuff, and another 1.3 million years ago, resulting in the Mesa Falls Tuff. These eruptions, while smaller than the last one, were still incredibly powerful. These eruptions were smaller than the last one but still incredibly powerful, demonstrating the cyclical nature of Yellowstone's volcanic activity. This cyclical pattern suggests that Yellowstone's volcanic system is still very much active and capable of future eruptions. These past eruptions serve as a stark reminder of the immense power that lies dormant beneath Yellowstone. The magma chamber beneath the park is one of the largest in the world, and it is this chamber that fuels the geysers, hot springs, and other geothermal features that Yellowstone is famous for. By studying these past events, scientists can learn about the patterns and potential magnitude of future eruptions. This research involves analyzing rock samples, ash deposits, and other geological evidence to piece together the history of Yellowstone's volcanic activity. This information is crucial for understanding the risks posed by Yellowstone and for developing preparedness plans in case of another major eruption. Scientists use this data to create models that predict how future eruptions might unfold and what areas would be most affected. Today, Yellowstone is a place of stunning natural beauty, attracting millions of visitors each year. But beneath its serene surface lies a powerful and potentially dangerous force. The park's geothermal features, such as Old Faithful, are constant reminders of the volcanic activity that continues to shape the region. Scientists continuously monitor Yellowstone for signs of volcanic activity. This includes measuring ground deformation, gas emissions, and seismic activity. These efforts are crucial for early detection of any changes that might indicate an impending eruption. In addition to scientific monitoring, community preparedness is also essential. Local communities and emergency services regularly conduct drills and develop response plans to ensure they are ready in the event of an eruption. Educational programs and public awareness campaigns also play a vital role in preparing for a potential eruption. By educating the public about the risks and what to do in an emergency, we can help ensure that people are better prepared to respond. While the thought of a future eruption at Yellowstone can be daunting, it is important to remember that such events are rare. The park's beauty and geological significance continue to inspire awe and wonder, reminding us of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet. As we look to the future, we must balance our appreciation for Yellowstone's natural wonders with a respect for the powerful forces that lie beneath. By continuing to study and monitor this incredible landscape, we can better understand and prepare for whatever the future may hold.